His music is performed all over the world with his iconic beachy sound, and we caught up with Jack Johnson as well as producers, friends, and family involved in the making of Jack Johnson's brand new documentary, Film Surf Music, ahead of its South by Southwest premiere.
In what ways do you hope people are inspired by this film?
I mean, first and foremost, I think that I would like to trick them into getting in the ocean. You know, like it really, like the ocean truly does have a way to humble us, slow our minds down. You will always be, I don't care who you are, you will always be at the mercy of the ocean. You work with her. And we live in a society where you get everything you want, and if you don't, it's somebody's fault. It just equals it out, and you come in and you're just reset. So I mean, surfing had given us so much growing up, my family and Jack's family, and I love the idea that people are going out. And going out because it seems fun and sexy, surfing and all these things. But they come in and they're like, "Holy shit! I didn't realize." Like I was there for I was moved in a completely different way.
Yeah. Can you tell me a little bit about what Jack means to you, as well as surfing being spotlighted within this documentary?
Jack, gosh, he's like a brother. He's like a brother. I mean, again, we grew up, you know, with dreams of him making music and film. Jack's a super sensitive guy. He'd care about everybody. If he could sit and talk a little bit with everybody at every show, he would. And that's sincere and it's lasting. And he's also smart. He's a smart dude. And it's really fun. Sometimes traveling, we'll just talk philosophy. And it's probably just blathering nonsense, but like it's great to have somebody that you can ask those big questions with and sort of meander through your sort of growing up, and family. Both of us come from families, and the ocean have sustained us thus far. And I liken this thing to our family movies because it's all either blood related or growing up together. So it's like a big. It's like our life. It's our life. It's our family story. So.
Yeah, I love that, our family story. Well, Chris, thank you so much.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.